Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sandhya Singh here. Today I'm doing a requested video that is to make DIY hair oil. So let's get started with the video, then we will discuss about its benefit and how to use it. So I'm starting with taking two medium sized onion. If you have large sized onion, then one onion is enough. So here is my two red onions, and I'm gonna peel them off. Then I will put them in blender, and then I will add some water, like very little quantity, just to make paste smooth. Now blend the onion and your smooth onion paste is ready. Now I am taking coconut oil. Why I am taking coconut oil? Because my scalp type is already oily, so I don't like to use thick consistency oil. But if your scalp type is dry, super dry, or dandruff based, then you should take that castor oil or olive oil or mustard oil. These oils have thick consistency. So here I am taking full 100 ml coconut oil into a wok. You can also take a fry pan, whatever utensil you like to use, you can use it. Okay, so I'm going to put this on flame. Now I'm adding my onion paste in hot coconut oil, and mind the quantity, that is in 1:1 ratio. If you are taking one bowl of oil, then you must take one bowl of onion paste. So just stir the mixture in every 2 minutes and leave it for 40 minutes to get good boil until your onion turns brown or golden brown. Do not burn the onion paste, just to make it brown or golden brown, and that is enough. Keep patience and let it get boil on medium or slow flame, so that coconut oil can absorb all the benefits and qualities of onion into it. Now my onion turns brown and golden brown, you can see. Next I am going to keep it aside to get it cooled down. Now I am taking a strainer and straining the oil. If you don't have a strainer or you don't want to use it, then you can use cotton cloth. I'm straining the oil while it's lukewarm, and you can see your onion coconut oil is ready. Over the YouTube, I have seen many bloggers using gooseberry, curry leaves, and that fenugreek, and many more kitchen ingredient to make their hair oil. But I didn't use all these ingredients because I think these ingredients are not easily available at everyone's kitchen. So that's why I use onion, because onion is very common ingredient. Now coming to how to use this oil, you have to massage this oil into your scalp at bedtime or before 2-3 hours of bedtime, and then wash off next morning. You can use this oil twice a week or thrice a week, that is up to you. Now coming to its benefit, onion juice when mixed with coconut oil works really well to reduce the hair loss. Not only is coconut oil moisturizing to the scalp, it provides extra nourishment to the hair follicles. Onion juice treats baldness. It helps hair regrow. It makes hair thick and shiny and longer and stronger. It treats dandruff too. It reduces the risk of lice infection. There are many more benefits of onion coconut oil. Try it yourself and share your experience with me. I will be back soon in my next video. Stay safe, stay home, stay healthy. Take care. Bye bye.